Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. The phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2009 Mazda 3 BL SP25 Sedan, stock reference number 4134. This shape runs from the 4th month 2009 through to the 10th month 2013. It has an L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has damage on the left-hand front and side. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, right-hand headlight, front bar reinforcement, radiator support. It's got a set of aftermarket Mania Racing alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left rear door, 2 small dents. Left rear 18-inch Mania Racing mag as a set with an average tyre. Left-hand tail light, left-hand boot lid garnish. It's got a tidy bumper cover. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right-hand boot lid garnish, right-hand tail light. Right rear, 18-inch Mania Racing alloy mag with an average tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. We have the right-hand sill skirt. Right front door has 2 small dents. Right power door mirror, indicator type SP25. Right guard appears to have no damage, and the right front 18-inch Mania Racing alloy mag with a good tyre, sold as a set. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, dual zone climate control, heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player with sat nav, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio, sat nav and cruise buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.